Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In the last videos, we have seen very clearly how we can able to, how we can able to display 7 to 8 patterns in this style. So same style in the horizontal direction we have taken patterns, right? Now my requirement is I want to display stars in the vertical direction. That is nothing but what we have. Okay, let us see how we can able to do this. Sir, in the first row, I want stars like this. Okay, in the first row, I want to print stars like this. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so 10 like this. First row, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10. Sir, do you know, here I don't want stars. Okay, here I don't want stars. So here I don't want stars. So here I don't want stars. In this style, I want to print, sir. This is nothing but my requirement. So total how many? 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 4, 5. Okay. So from sixth row onwards, we need to fill all these. No, no, no. We have to print as it is. So fourth row, fifth row, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and the last row has to be filled with all stars. So in the previous example, we have given space in the horizontal direction. Now what we are doing, we are giving space in the vertical alignment, sir. In the next program, we will see opposite direction. Sir, how to do this? It is same like previous program, whatever we covered. That is, in the previous program, you have taken I less than or equal to, so 10, I greater than or equal to 10 by 2. Now, we are not depending on the value of row, we are depending on the value of column. If you are depending on the value of column, what we are doing? Sir, we have to take J. If the value of J is less than or equal to 10 by 2, that means up to fifth row, we are going to get the values. You can see here. Sir, here, okay, there is a small change. First, we will take like this, then in the next program. Okay, let it be like this only. So here, what we have to do, you need to change a small correction here. In the place of less than, try to take a greater than. Now, what we'll see here, what will happen here? You can see in the first half, we got empty place. Is it our requirement or not? Yes. This is the way how we can able to print the pattern in this style. So in the previous example, whatever we have covered, same thing. Instead of row, we change it to the column. Beyond that, nothing is there here. Okay, I think you people got the point. Right. Anyway, remaining videos, remaining patterns we are going to discuss in our next video. Thank you.